Hi, I'm Rory Dosmegan, and I'll be doing my author-illustrator comparison presentation. I will be doing mine on picture books. A picture book is a book, typically for children, in which the illustrations are as important or more important than the words telling the story. Picture books are not a genre, but a format in which both words and illustrations are essential to the meaning of the story. I did illustrators, and my illustrators were Dr. Seuss and James Dean. Dr. Seuss's full name is Theodore Seuss Geisel, born March 2, 1904. He has published over 60 books and had the 1984 Pulitzer Prize, an Academy Award, 3 Emmys, and 3 Grammys. He sadly died September 24, 1991. Some of Dr. Seuss's books are Green Eggs and Ham, Book of Colors, Horton Hears a Who, Dr. Seuss's ABCs, and Cat in the Hat. James Dean was born in 1957 in Fort Payne, Alabama. In 1976, James left for Auburn University to pursue a degree in electrical engineering. In 1997, James left Georgia Power and became a full-time artist. Some James Dean books are Pete the Cat and the Cool Cat Boogie, Pete the Cat and his 4 Groovy Buttons, Pete the Cat and his Missing Cupcakes, Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes, and Pete the Cat, Rockin' in My School Shoes. Dr. Seuss is a solo author and illustrator, while James Dean works with a partner. Dr. Seuss wrote and drew many different characters as a cartoonist, and James Dean wrote and drew about one character, which was Pete the Cat. They both had an audience of 6 to 8-year-olds. Both writers and illustrators that used rhyming schemes for rhythm and used personifications by giving human-like characteristics to animals, especially cats. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation.